Welcome to September's full moon of harvesting, abundance, transitions, and balance. School has begun. The leaves are changing color. Apple and pumpkin smells fill the grocery stores and farmers' markets. Communities eagerly await their reunions every week at their local high school Friday Night Lights gathering. Baseball is nearing its end of the season, and ice hockey is just beginning. Backyard pools are closing to allow backyard bonfires to emerge. Shorts are moving aside for long pants. Tank tops and sleeveless tops retreat to the bottom of the drawer to allow the long sleeves, sweaters, and light jackets to return. The summer has ended. The Autumnal Equinox, which will occur on September 22nd, signifies the end of warm nights and the beginnings of cooler nights, colorful trees, and shorter days. In the month of September, the northern states will have lost over an hour of daylight, so get out and enjoy the remaining rays of sunshine. Go apple picking, enjoy a corn maze, or decorate the porch with fall trinkets. The location of the September moon is near the horizon, which causes the harvest moon, or any full moon, to look big and orange in color. When contemplating the 9th month of the new year, the full moon signifies the beginning of harvest season. We embrace the autumn season as we quickly journey towards winter. We begin to turn inward and balance ourselves just as the natural world around us begins to balance herself. We feel the coming of the longer nights and are pulled toward our spiritual side in a new way. We can easily experience the longer, darker hours the more we create a balanced center of love and joy within ourselves. Nature is particularly cooperative in giving us dusk till dawn moonlight for several evenings in a row around the time of the harvest moon. The bright moonbeams of September's moon are extremely helpful for busy farmers. At the peak of harvest, the light of this moon allows them to work long hours into the night. This is how the harvest moon's name came to be. In 2 out of 3 years, the harvest moon is either the last full moon of the summer season or the first full moon in autumn. The harvest name is reserved for the full moon that comes closest to the autumnal equinox, which can occasionally happen in October. This September full moon is the 4th and final full moon of our summer season, as she comes 2 days before the first day of autumn. On the off year, when the October full moon is closer to the equinox, the September full moon is called the corn moon, and the October full moon gets the crown of the harvest moon. Since corn is the primary source of harvested foods, September and October share this prestigious harvest name. In other parts of the world, depending on the environment, our ancient tribes also called the September full moon fall moon, barley moon, autumn moon, leaves turning moon. If you didn't know, there is an early 20th century song about the harvest moon, written by vaudeville performers Nora Bayes and Jack Norworth in 1903. It was called Shine On, Harvest Moon. They wrote and performed this number during a run of moon-related songs that were greatly received. The lyrics are, shine on, harvest moon. Up in the sky, I ain't had no lovin' since January, February, June, and July. Snow time ain't no time to stay outdoors and spoon. So shine on, harvest moon, for me and my gal. You can YouTube search this song as well. Corn is symbolically indicated for spiritual goodness. With its many seeds, corn is also a symbol of fertility and rebirth. Corn is the main crop harvested during this time. Harvest means to reap what you sow. God's provision for us and God's blessing for others. While we celebrate a harvest season just once a year, we can experience the spirit of harvesting all year round. September's moon spiritual meaning is all about balance and abundance, whether you're celebrating the harvest moon or the corn moon. It's a time to honor and appreciate the reaping of what you have sown, a time for reflection and gratitude. How are you balancing giving and receiving? How are you balancing the energy you cultivate and the energy you share with others? Use the energy around the harvest moon to find harmony and balance between being of service towards others and cultivating energies for your own happiness, health, and spiritual connection. This is a great moon to focus on all that we are grateful for. Gratitude lifts our thoughts to lighter and more loving levels. In addition, gratitude opens our hearts. It makes us reflect on all the good in our lives. That which we focus attention on increases. So focus your attention on all the good. Astrologically, the full harvest moon is in Pisces. Pisces is all about dismantling the old structures and emotional structures within the emotional self. This moon will help you to understand that you are worthy and loved. If something's not working in your life, the Pisces energy has a knack of showing you another path. Pay attention, dear ones. The signs can be subtle. Pisces feel things deeply and have strong gut reactions. They are sensitive, intuitive, helpful, and imaginative. The Pisces energy can help you adapt to your current situations with effortless grace. This is a great opportunity for us to let go and to freely allow ourselves to heal what we may not be consciously aware of. Use the Pisces energy during this lunar phase to look deeply upon your circumstances for a deeper spiritual exploration. Let go and trust. Let go and balance. The archangel that is guiding us through September's full moon is Archangel Sandophone. Archangel Sandophone is the guardian of Pisces, the most creative and artistic of the zodiac signs. He is the angel of compassion, mutual help, and protection. He is also known as the angel of wishes fulfilled. Sandophone is also known to connect deeply with us through music. When you notice a connection through music, you are in the presence of Sandophone. Archangel Sandophone is the tallest of the angels. He stretches from his feet planted firmly into Mother Earth all the way to heaven. Most people associate the colors and sounds of nature with being in Sandophone's presence. He is known to have a strong and grounding energy with primarily copper gold tones mixed with blue or magenta, aqua, or even red tones. Similar to the colors changing in nature in the fall. Coincidence? I think not. Archangel Sandophone is connected to the Earth's energies. He will remind you of the importance of being grounded, and he will help you to establish a secure link between heaven and earth. Call upon Archangel Sandophone to help ground and balance your experiences. Please get comfortable as we begin our full harvest meditation. Relax your eye gaze, and when you are ready, gently close your eyes. We will begin relaxing our muscles and quieting our thoughts by inhaling on the count of 5, holding for 2, and exhaling on the count of 5 for 2 repetitions. Our thoughts will pass before us. Become aware of them and simply let them drift by. After our 2 breath repetitions, we will fade into the harvest moon through our own vocal humming, breathing in and on the exhale, releasing a hum. As you breathe in on 5, imagine the harvest moon in all her glory shining brightly in front of you. See her beauty before you. As you breathe out on 5, and then hum the remaining repetitions, allow the harvest moon's light to shower you in divine balance and gratitude. Breathing in, the light comes towards you and showers you. Humming out, you are aware of the divine healing light of the moon taking place. By the 5th hum exhale, you will be completely relaxed, feeling healed, serene, and wonderful. If you find yourself thinking, simply bring your awareness back to your breath, my voice, and the light of the harvest moon's love surrounding you. Breathe and then hum with me now. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 2, 1. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 4, 2, 1. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 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 Now breathe normally, feeling connected and serene. Welcome, Harvest Moon. Thank you for your brilliant light that illuminates everything, making all easy to see and to gather. Tonight, with your majestic lunar help, we will search inward, shining your light upon anything that no longer aids us in becoming our authentic self. Anything that blocks our path to the core center of love and light, be exposed now with your moonlight. Thank you. As you continue to breathe effortlessly and slowly, imagine a coppery gold light coming from the moon surrounding you. This light penetrates your skin, into your bloodstream, into your cells. This coppery gold light amplifies your success, achievements, and optimism. See this light filling your being, replacing any shadows, gray spots, or dark areas that no longer serve your highest good. Bathe in this generous coppery golden light. Take a deep breath in, dear ones. Release, and again. As you breathe in, the moon's coppery gold light is changing to blue, the bluest of blues you can imagine. See it showering over you, melding perfectly with the coppery gold light within you. This blue light opens your energy centers, filling them with pure blue light. You are aware of the presence of the Creator with this blue light as it reminds you of the vast, beautiful sky. It brings perspective to your human experiences. It provides you with your voice, your truth. This blue color supports you, comforts you, and heals you. Bathe in this magical blue light. Take a deep breath in and exhale. As you breathe in and release this blue light, the color magenta is morphing into its place. Beautiful magenta, illuminating from the harvest moon. This universal color of harmony and emotional balance. As this color washes over you, you feel cheerful, happy, content, and appreciated. This color fills your free spirit and reminds you of the highest levels of love, kindness, and balance. It is the deep color of the Japanese maple tree in the fall. Bathe in this universal, harmonious color. Take a deep breath in and exhale. The next color to meld within ourselves, gifted from the harvest moon, is aqua. This watery-looking color, a mix of green and blue, bathes over you and mixes wonderfully with the coppery gold, the blue, and the magenta colors already within you. Allowing this aqua gift from the harvest moon to evoke feelings of reinvigoration, youth, and dreaminess. This color aids the harvest moon's energy of transition, balance, and stability. Those thoughts, ideas, dreams, and wishes laying dormant within you are consciously activated with the harvest moon's aqua energy. Allow this aqua color to peacefully bathe and energize your inner peace and truth, like floating in the Caribbean Ocean. Take a deep breath in, beautiful ones. Release. The harvest moon is changing color on cue. Breathe in her red color. Let it wash over you and permeate your being. Red signifies your self-power, your self-bravery, your self-zeal, and your belief in your own fortune and blessings. Welcome the color gift from the harvest moon as it melds vibrationally perfect with her other colors. See the fall leaves blooming with this red color. Witness the harvest moon's brilliant light of red changing into white. This light surrounds you and all the colors in a protective sheen. Any remaining tension, stress, patterns, or feelings that no longer serve your wonderness are now erased within this white light. See and feel this protection. Archangel Sandophone, open our ears and our hearts within these colors to the wisdom you offer. We are grateful that our prayers are answered, our wishes fulfilled in such a colorful and powerful way. Thank you for your guidance and your support. Divine Creator, our guides, angels, archangels, and ascended masters, shower us with your love light. Show us the beauty of your connected energies within ours. The combination of the full moon, Mother Gaia, Archangel Sandophone, and all your lights are graciously accepted and absorbed by us in this moment, in this space, in this time. Thank you for your love light. Beloved oneness, surround our loved ones in these wondrous colors that they may also feel the majesty and universal healing of their vibrations. May they be blessed with the highest vibrations of your divine love light now. Dear Harvest Moon, shine brightly upon and within us during this lunar phase. We thank you for your grace of abundance and reflection energies. We heal under your glow and fully embrace the new fall season. May your energies fill us with vibrant light and bring forth our truest nature from divine source. May we shine as brightly as you. Bless us, all the beings of love and light who have gathered with us tonight, that we flow in peace and grace through any and all lessons we may need to learn as we follow our true paths towards our greatest and highest good. We thank you all. Blessed be. I will now count backwards from 5 to 1. With every count, you will awaken, healed, refreshed, and back to the present. Thank you, Harvest Moon, for your illumination. 5, 4, 3. You may begin to move. 2, 1. Open your eyes. Thank you for joining me this evening. The next full moon session, the Hunter's Moon, will be October 20th, 2021 at 7 p.m. If I can be of any service at any time, please reach out. goingtokims@gmail.com. Namaste.